There is a favorite quote that says keeping healthy is eating what you don't want, drinking what you don't like, and doing what you'd rather not. Hi there, how is it? How you doing? My name is Raymond, and I'd like to talk to you about something really special. Something worth sharing. I'm talking about losing a phenomenal 5 kilograms in just 7 days and without doing any form of physical exercise. Is that even imaginable? Now that is my testimony.
The African eggplants, aka beta berries, are the major ingredient in this weight loss recipe. Now, there is a long article that was written a long time ago in 2013 on the New Vision website. You could look up that article. I would like you to hold on to this video till the end so I can show you that you can lose the 5 kilograms that I lost using this approach. One major thing that I would like to highlight on this website is that they mentioned that these beta berries have been known to aid in weight loss. The idea of losing weight requires you to know your body mass index. Now, the body mass index helps you to know whether you need to lose weight or not. Now, to calculate your body mass index, you need to go to Google Play or App Store and get this tool. You will need to put in your age, your height, and your weight. In this case, mine showed that I was overweight. This disclaimer is not to deter you from trying out this recipe. I would like to encourage you to try this out. I can guarantee that you will get the same or even better results if followed as presented in this video. So please make yourself a dish of this recipe every day for 7 days. You can also leave a comment or write me an email to let me know what your results were. For a long time, I have known beta berries to be effective in weight loss, although most people don't like them because of their very bitter taste. However, people in villages eat them almost on a daily basis because of a significant amount of these berries growing naturally by themselves in the fields. Those that are grown for commercial use are the ones that you can find in the markets. Because beta berries are low in calories, fat, and sodium, but contain essential minerals and dietary fibers, I had to choose them for my diet plan. You will need about 500 grams for 2 dishes or a meal for 2. Tomatoes make an important constituent of the human diet and are grown everywhere in the world, and by far the most eaten vegetable. Because they have numerous health benefits like improving vision, managing diabetes, skin health, lowering hypertension, preventing gallstones, countering the effect of cigarette smoke, cancer prevention, preventing UTIs, rich source of vitamins and minerals, and so on, I had to include them on my list. I used an average of 300 grams for every 2 dishes. I like chopping my cabbages this way. Now this is my personal preference. It doesn't matter how you chop them, they will still have the same food nutrients. Cabbages have cancer prevention properties, good for vision health, skin health, brain enhancement, and they protect bones. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C and fiber. It is also loaded with a good amount of calcium, magnesium, and potassium. You can require about 80 grams for a meal of 2. Later on in this video, I'm going to show you the size of the dish that I'm talking about. Onions can hardly miss on this recipe because they bring a great spice to the meal. And besides that, they are ideal for cancer prevention, treatment of anemia, good oral health, relieving ear aches, treating urinary disorders, relieving stomach aches, treatment of heart ailments, blood sugar regulation, strengthening immune system, treatment of cough, to mention but a few. You require a minimum of 70 grams for a meal of 2. Irish potatoes and carrots are great vegetables in this weight loss recipe. The potatoes constitute a greater portion of the meal. Carrots and potatoes are rich in numerous food nutrients like vitamins, copper, carbohydrates, and iron. You will need about 500 grams of potatoes and 100 grams of carrots for a meal of 2. To cook this meal, you will need to have all the items cooked together for 15 to 20 minutes. Anything above that would be overcooking because we don't want them to lose the nutrients that we so badly need. So in this case, you will need to pile the food items in layers. From the bottom, Irish potatoes, which take a considerably longer time to get ready, then add the rest and end with tomatoes at the top of all the other items. Mix them with salt and water and boil, and voila, you have a ready meal. This is the dish size that I'm referring to. The recipes recommended in this video cater for 2 of these dishes. You could take one for lunch and another for dinner. Take lots of water alongside your meal during this weight loss exercise. Please leave a comment or subscribe to this channel in case you need any other information regarding this video. I built my recipe by making some bit of research from Google, and it was very instrumental in my weight reduction plan.